Welcome to the G1 Practice Test Ontario. In this video, we will be focusing on the full part of G1 signal test. For questions related to rules test, please visit the playlist. You can find the link to the website canadianpracticetest.com in the description below for additional assistance. Now let's get started with the video.
Okay, we are going to click on this driving test, and here we are going to solve Ontario quizzes. So let's click on this state, and our first test is Ontario Sign Test 01. Let's start this quiz. And in this sign test we have multiple symbols, and our first symbols denote that sharp turn or bend in the road in the direction of the arrow, which is option number A. Next question, question 2. And the second symbol represent that slow moving vehicle traveling less than 40 km per hour. Option B is the correct option. Next question. And our third symbol is winding road ahead. Option C. Next one. Question 4. And this four symbols denoted by prohibited sign. Option D is the correct option. Next question. And our fifth symbol is denoted by option A, which is road narrows both sides. This symbol represents clearly that road narrows both sides. Next symbol, symbol number 6, and the sixth symbol is denoted by divided highway begins, which is option D. Next question, question number 7, and the seventh symbol represent that seventh symbol represent do not enter. Option C is the correct option. Next question, question number 8. These eight symbols denote that falling rock. Option D. Next one, question number 9. And question number 9 is denoted by no stopping in the area between the sign. Option A is the correct option. Next question, question number 10. And this 10 symbol is denoted by railway crossing ahead. All symbols are clearly showing the representation visually. And this 11th symbol is denoted by pavement in slippery when wet. Option B is the correct one. Next question, question number 12, and this 12th symbol is denoted by it's denoted by right turn lane, which is option D. Next question, question number 13, and this 13 symbol clearly represent that come to the complete stop and do not proceed until safe. Option A. Next question, question number 14, and this 14 symbol is denoted by right lane ends ahead. Option B is the correct one. Next one, question number 15, and this 15 symbols represent that narrow passage ahead. Option C is the correct one. Next question, question number 16, and the 16 number symbol clearly represent that railway crossing, which is option D. Next question, question number 17, and this 17 symbol is denoted by speed limit changes ahead. Option D is the correct one. Next question, question number 18, and 18 symbol represent that construction zone people working. Option D is the correct option. Next question, question number 19, and this 19 symbol clearly represent that one of the school crossing, which is option D. Next question, question number 20, and this 20th number symbol is denoted by it's denoted by yield the right of way, which is option D. Next question, question number 21, and 21st number symbol is denoted by destination sign. Option B is the correct one. Next question, question number 22, and it represents that permissive sign. Option B is the correct option. Next one, question 23, and this 23 symbol denoted by no U-turn, which is option number B. Next one, question number 24, and 24 symbols denote that a sharp bend in the road. Option B is the correct option. Next question, question number 25, And this 25th number symbol is denoted by traffic control signals ahead, which is option A. Next one, question 26. And this 26 symbols denoted by steep hill ahead. You may need to use a lower gear, which is option B. Next question, question 27. And this 27 number symbols denoted by you are coming to the school zone, which is option A. Next one, third last question of this quiz. And this symbol is denoted by no turn left, which is option B. Next question, question number 29. And this 29th number symbol is denoted by a bump or uneven pavement in the road ahead, which is option A. Next question, question number 30, which is the last question of this quiz. And this is denoted by divided ahead, keep right, which is option B. Here guys, we are going to end this quiz. Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to solve Ontario sign test number 2. So let's start this quiz and let's click on the start button. And our question number 1, which is symbol, and this symbol is denoted by warns motorists to provide space for cyclists, which is option B. Next question, question number 2, and the second symbol is denoted by hazard close to the edge of the road, which is option B. Next one, question number 3, and this third symbol is denoted by it's denoted by divided highway ends, which is option C. These symbols denote that president not permitted on this road, which is option C. Next question, question number 5, and this fifth symbol is denoted by off-road facilities hospital, which is option B. Next one, question 6, and the six symbols denote that pavement ends ahead, which is option B. Next one, question number 7, and the seven symbol clearly represent that animal crossing in the area, which is option C. Next one, question number 8, and this eighth symbol which represent the cycle, it represents that this road is the official bicycle route, which is option C. Next question, question number 9, and this ninth number symbol is denoted by the lane is only for two-way left turn, which is option D. Next question, question number 10, and this 10th symbol is denoted by traffic may travel in the one direction only, which is option D. Next question, question number 11, and this 11 symbol is denoted by do not park in the area between the signs. Option D is the correct option. Next question, question number 12, and this 12th number symbol is denoted by do not turn right when facing a red light at the intersection. Option D is the correct option. Next question, question number 13, and this 13 number symbol is denoted by flashing lights on the arrow shown in the direction to follow, which is option number A. Next question, question number 14, and this 14th number symbol is denoted by you may proceed through intersection if clear, which is option B. Next question, question number 15, and this 15th number symbol is denoted by it denote that bicycle crossing ahead, option A. Next question, question number 16, and the 16th number symbol represent that stop ahead, which is option B. Next question, question number 17, and the 17th number symbols denote that roadway ahead that join merging traffic. Option D is the correct option. Next question, question number 18, and this 18 symbols denote that snowmobiles cross this road. Option C is the correct option. And our next question, question number 19, it denote that underpass ahead, which is option D. Next one, question number 20, and this 20th number symbol is denoted by it denote that slow traffic on multi-lane roads must keep right. Option C is the correct option. Next question, question number 21, and this 21 number symbol is denoted by roundabout ahead. Option C is the correct option. Next question, question number 22, and it represents that president pathway only vehicles prohibited. Option B is the correct option. And guys, we have selected the wrong answer. Please correct this one. The correct answer is pedestrians not permitted. And 22nd number symbol represent that pedestrians not permitted. The correct option is option C. Next question, question number 23. And this 23rd number symbol represent that intersection ahead. Option C is the correct one. Next question, question 24. And this symbol is denoted by fire truck entrance ahead, which is option C. Next one, question number 25. And it denotes that keep to the right lane except when passing on two lane sections where climbing or passing lanes are provided. Option A is the correct option. Next question, question number 26. And this 26 symbol is denoted by there may be water flowing over the road. Option D is the correct option. Next one, question number 27. And this 27th number symbol is denoted by a curve right. Option A is the correct one. Next question, question number 28. And this 28th number symbol is denoted by a school bus stop ahead. Option D is the correct option. Next one, question number 29. And this represents that truck entrance on the right side of the road ahead. Option A is the correct one. Next and the last question of this quiz, and it clearly represents that bicycle crossing ahead. Option A is the correct option. And guys, here we are going to end this our science test 2, which is related to Ontario State. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We will meet you in our next video. Till that, goodbye.